Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Desjardins Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Desjardins Payroll login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to employeeurd.com/web portal/user login. It will then take you to the login portal of Desjardins. There enter your user code, then your business code. Then click to continue. Then you should be able to access your Desjardins employee ID, and from there you can access your payroll. To make login easier for next time, you can click to remember my user code and my business code, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your access code, you can get help by clicking to forgot access code. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.